Alkaline sells out Barclays, and now the pressure building. Shocking Murray says some big men see him as a threat and trying to bring down the youth. Now the real question is, why fight greatness? Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap and hit the notification bell.
And una big man on top of that. Big man a fight against youth. Big man a try trample down pan a youth. Let me tell you something. You see, any big man a fight against youth are wicked. Wicked on a wicked. Fighting down a youth. We accomplish something great.
Shaka Murray, me have a piece of land I sell you. Cause you look like your life has scratched you. No Rastaman no for pre-batty business. And no Rastaman no for your defend no youth, we are pre-batty business. If a man say him like batty wash, what you as a Rastaman a pick up a defend him for? Is Shaka Murray? Here we go on, me have a piece of land I sell you. Show me which part of the property you want. I never get a chance to pick for them spot, you know. But here we go on, me a sell your piece of land from now, cause any Rastaman a pre-batty business. Them not for there, so. We are now we earth right now, not take up too much space around here. Me I tell you that, Shaka Murray. Right now, you have to just choose your part where you want to lay down. Because a Rastaman like you, who a make girl shit in your locks, not for there, so. You are the bootleg Muta Baruka, no brother. You don't realize say I try to be like Muta Baruka.
Any big man will fight against youths are wicked. Big up yourself, Alkaline, and big up all of the youths in the music. Keep focus and do the right thing. Right, sir. Me, Shocking Murray said that.
The Rastaman a pre-batty business. Them not for there, so. We are now we earth right now, not take up too much space around here. Me I tell you that, Shaka Murray. Right now, you have to just choose your part where you want to lay down. Because a Rastaman like you, who a make girl shit in your locks, not for there, so. You are the bootleg Muta Baruka, brother. You know